Hey guys, what's up? The installation process of LDSscoreboard is really simple. Let's go to our home page, LDSsolutions.com, and here you can go directly to the downloads section, and in the download section select LDS scoreboard. You will find the corresponding version. The system is constantly growing, so probably when you see this video you will find a different version here. That's fine. Click on download, and you will be downloading a zip file that you will only have to uncompress. Will be very straightforward. Let's wait for it to finish, and in a few seconds we can open this file. Here it is. We can now leave the browser, right? So we can open the zip file by double clicking on it, and you can simply drag this folder and copy it, for example, on your desktop. This is where we will be making the demonstrations. So now we can close this window, and here we have a folder that contains a set of free fonts that you can install in your computer. That will be the subject of a different video, how to install these fonts, or any font you want. And LDSscoreboard folder, that is the folder that contains the application, right? We have to execute LDSscoreboard.x, right? .executable. Double click on it, more information, execute, and here we have it. If we don't have we have not acquired a license, we will be requested to introduce a registration ID. That is a code that will be provided after you make the payment of the license, but we will continue in demonstration version. This demonstration version is a mode of working for the application that will allow you to see and to test all the application, but each 30 seconds in the output device you will see an advert of Large Display Solutions, but the application will be completely functional, right? So let's click on continue in this version, and here we have it, right? Let's close this. Brief overview. Here you have the slides that your scoreboard has configured. Here you have the timers, and here you have the counters. In this area you can open a new scoreboard, you can edit the actual scoreboard, manage the theme, configure the terminals and the application settings, and here you have some information about the actual scoreboard, and if you have any playlist defined. Well, now the system is installed. We will see all these things in a different section of this course. Thanks so much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.